It's Monday, and for dinner tonight we're having grilled Mediterranean chicken with Greek lemon potatoes. Mine. Bella's. Tuesday's dinner, and we are having Mediterranean chicken and shrimp rice pilaf. Mine. Bella's. Wednesday's dinner, and we are having grilled citrus salmon over spinach with sweet corn. Mine. Bella's. Thursday's dinner, and the meal plan called for Mediterranean chicken, but I was working today, and by the time I picked my head up from my computer, I realized that it was far too late for me to start cooking. And also, today is my birthday and I don't want to cook, so we ordered pizza. So I have one slice of regular and a slice of margarita, and my daughter has her usual pepperoni. And for dessert, we got mini cannolis. It's Friday, and continuing the birthday week laziness, I have ordered food out yet again. So this time we ordered from a really nice Mexican chicken restaurant, and we have boneless chicken wings, and I got corn salad, and Bella got fries, and for dessert, flan. It's Saturday, and Thursday was my birthday, so we ordered out food for my birthday dinner tonight. And so I have grilled chicken with shrimp and caramelized onion with mushrooms and mashed potatoes. And Bella has that massive, yummy looking bacon cheeseburger and fries. And I also got French onion soup to go along with it. And there I nipped a piece of Bella's bacon from her burger because I love bacon. And I'll show you the dessert in just a moment. For dessert, we each got little individual chocolate lava cakes, which came with a scoop of ice cream per, but they are in the freezer because they were a bit soft when they got here. And oh, they look so yummy. Can't wait to get at them. Yum. Sunday's dinner, and we are having broccoli rabe with penne pasta. And this was made with garlic, onions, and anchovies, and I was a little leery about the anchovies, but they just completely melted off into the oil when I put it in, and they left the garlic with this really nice salty kind of an umami flavor, and it's really good. Mine. Bella's. And that's some of the cheese that got on the table as I was grating it, and of course we did top it with Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.